What's good, CC Mafia? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a do-it-yourself refrigerator deodorizer. But before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button if you aren't already a part of the CC Mafia. Please hit the like button. Comment down below something positive for me or Caleb. And last but not least, please hit that bell so you can get notifications when we upload a new video. So, I don't know about you, but baking soda just doesn't cut it for me when it comes to deodorizing the refrigerator. So, if you don't already know, baking soda is a deodorizer and coffee is also a deodorizer. So, I got these two containers from Dollar Tree for $1, of course. The top of them are open. They are actually candle holders. But, I mean, they will work perfectly for a refrigerator deodorizer, right? Small, cute, open tops. So, what we're going to need is baking soda, of course. Then we're going to need some coffee ground, of course. I have some coffee filters that are too big to use. So we're going to take these coffee filters and we're going to place those on the top of the container to, filter the smell, the scent, capture the scents. I have some. Oh, I need a fork to stir the items up. I need some scissors. And let's get into this video. So I'm going to pour some baking soda in each container. Now, I don't really have a specific measurement. I'm just going to pour until I feel satisfied with the amount of baking soda that's in there. And then after that, I'm going to add the coffee. Now I'm going to add the coffee. I think it'll be smarter for me to use a spoon instead. So I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to spoon in some coffee. Three, four, 4. And now I'm just going to take the baking soda and the coffee and I'm going to mix them both together. Because like I said, coffee is a deodorizer and baking soda is a deodorizer too. But baking soda mostly absorbs scent and coffee expels the coffee scent to mask other scents. So I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of coffee. So I'm going to add a little more coffee to my containers. Now that I'm satisfied with the amount of coffee that I have in my containers, I'm going to take these coffee filters and I'm going to cut them up into little squares, and I'm going to place the squares on top of the container and close them. Now I'm going to take this plastic fork and I'm going to poke holes into the top of the containers, so it can filter a little more than the filter would just naturally allow the scents to filter through. So all of the yucky scents are going to be absorbed by the baking sodas as normal deodorizers do. And then the coffee is going to expel to give the refrigerator a good coffee smell. If you don't care for coffee, then this may not be for you, or you could just do it with just the baking soda. But if you care for coffee like I do, or the scent of coffee, this would be perfect for you. And voila, we are done. And I'm going to place them in my refrigerator so it can smell like Starbucks when I open it. It smells so good.